How to make attendance in AppSheet 2025. Follow these steps. Create a Google Sheet with staff and attendance tables including staff ID, name, date, status, and timestamp. Go to AppSheet.com, click Start with your own data, and connect your Google Sheet to build the app. Add both sheets as tables in AppSheet. Enable Ads for the attendance table so users can log entries. Create a form view for attendance so staff can submit entries with date, status, and auto timestamp. Set staff ID as a ref to staff table, and status as enum with values like present, absent, or late. Optionally add a photo, signature, or location field to capture attendance proof during submission. Test the app on your phone, then share it with staff using the Users tab by adding their email addresses. Thank you for watching.